Hickory Dam, y'all. Old Catfish, old stomping grounds. If I had $1 every time I walked up to that dam, I'd be a rich man. This is where old Catfish got his name, y'all. Catfish Terry, fishing audition. And they say you can't go back again. They're dead wrong, y'all. You can do anything you set your head to. Maybe I won't go all the way up against that dam like I used to when I was a teenager, but I can come up here and daydream what I used to do, y'all. And this is like Peplin Creek, y'all. This is baby steps. I've got a little closer. I'll probably never wind up like they're down there anymore because Catfish Terry ain't a billy goat anymore. But feels good just to get back here, y'all. Old Hickory Dam, Hendersonville, Tennessee. And I live across the river. Y'all, this is Catfish Terry's mama. I know, how in the world does a nice guy like me come for this?
Don't do that.
Cause this is my mama. She's the one who created this great guy.
My hand.
I know, it's hard to believe, but she's the one who created this awesome person. She beat me all my life. I'll never forget when in the 3rd grade she beat me so bad with a
shoe.
What was the high heel shoe?
Yeah.
Broke the heel on the shoe. Catfish Terry's mama. See, y'all, you can still overcome the stuff against you and be a successful guy. Yeehaw. Y'all, I'm gonna do another giveaway. I'm gonna give another lure away. And if anybody listening to this, hit my comments, hit a subscribe, and in my comments, type in "go back again," and I'll enter you in the drawing for a free fishing lure, y'all. This is Catfish Terry, y'all. Y'all treat everybody the way you wanted to be treated. And get out and have fun. And check all my great members out at the end of this credit, y'all. Yeehaw, Catfish Terry. Take care.